Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add delta symbol in Microsoft Word. So there are some methods you can add delta symbol. First one, using shortcut. So press 03B4. Now press Alt plus X. This is the first method. Type 03B4 press Alt plus X. So this is the shortcut. Second method, using equation. So insert an equation, slash and type delta and press space bar. Another method, insert equation and here find out this delta symbol. Just select it. And another method, using symbol. So insert and symbol. More symbols, font select Arial, and here you need to find out this delta. Not find out here, so character code 03B4. So it will auto select this symbol and just you have to press and insert. So these four methods you can insert and add delta symbol in your Word document. Thanks for watching.